say Shane's house is a total loss, probably.
Despite how close the fire department is and available water sources, the First Defense Emergency Fire Kit could be the only thing that could help save your house, neighbor's house, or loved ones while the fire department is busy fighting the surrounding wildfire. The basic 100-foot kit comes with 1.5-inch industrial fire hose and proprietary attachment for the water source. A helmet with ear protection, face shield, goggles, head and neck protection, complete with fire retardant coveralls, proprietary water source wrench, and heat-resistant gloves. A 75-gallon-a-minute fire-grade nozzle ensures enough water, with entire kit on one simple hook for quick and easy emergency access. If no emergency services are available, the First Defense Emergency Fire Kit with pool pump generator as your water supply could be the only thing that could help save yours, your neighbor's house, or loved ones while the fire department is busy fighting the surrounding wildfire. Don't take the chance on losing irreplaceable items as seen here in the aftermath of a fire captain's son's house. They both fully believe if they or one of their neighbors had the emergency home fire kit, a lot of the property might have been saved. Order your emergency fire kit now. We reduced the price for the first 1,000 orders to only $695, and prices won't stay that low forever. Don't wait for the fires to come to you, and remember, if you ordered today, you might save a life tomorrow. Swimming pool pumps also available when no other water source is close. Be prepared for the devastating wildfires. Get your emergency first line of defense kit today.
I'm Shane. That was my house. I created and fully endorse this product.